Hi, welcome to IFS Insider YouTube videos. My name is Mohammad Zian and I am the product manager for IFS projects at IFS. In this video, I will show how can planners use multiple schedule modes in IFS projects to make the planning days easier. I will start from projects page, filter the projects I will use for this demo and navigate to projects Gantt page. This is my unscheduled house construction project. As a planner, I know when the project should start. Now, one of my important tasks of the day is to calculate a planned finish date for the project. For this, I use Quick Schedule Assistant in Projects Gantt. In that, I select the option Schedule with Start Date since I know when the project should start and enter the project start date as a schedule start date. I select OK to proceed with the scheduling. You can now see project is scheduled based on the activity duration and dependencies. As I wanted, the project's planned start is set to 1st of January and it has calculated the project's planned finish as 17th of March. This is how you can use scheduling with start date mode to find a project finish in IFS projects. Now assume the project has a contractual obligation to finish on or before a specified date. Planners should be able to calculate a later start date, and this is how you can do that in IFS projects. For this, I use another similar project, again unscheduled, and no start or finish date defined. I use Quick Scheduler again, and then select the mode Schedule from End date this time. Now I enter 31st of March as the date I want the project to be finished and press OK to start the scheduling process. The scheduled project will populate shortly. Here it is, scheduled based on activity duration and dependencies. If you look into project details, you can now see the scheduler has adjusted the finish date to the last working date and time since I used the earliest hour of 31st as the end time, which is a non-working time. Most importantly, it has calculated 14th January as the start date if you want to finish it before 31st. This is how IFS projects functionality help the planners to calculate an unknown start date from a known finish date. This concludes the session on scheduling modes in IFS projects. Thank you for watching. Interested in more videos like this? Please subscribe to IFS Insider YouTube channel.